Don't blink, you might miss it, because once it's gone for good. This is our Figural Temptations Covered Pie Dish, and you have two choices. You may go either with the holiday or the harvest motif, and these aren't just for pies, although they're great for pies. You're also going to be able to do a lot of different things in here, because remember, these are stoneware, and when it's stoneware, you've got super variety with these. Let's come over and meet Tara Tesher, who brings us Temptations. Mwah.
Hello, everyone.
Angel.
Yes.
We're talking about something very special, collectible.
Yes.
This is from your limited edition collection.
That is correct.
And you're going to love these because they are as beautiful as they are functional.
Yes, exactly. And so a lot of times you're used to seeing us offer a pie plate, but it's very rare that we actually offer a covered pie plate. And then we took it one step further, David, in the fact that not only did we make it as part of our limited edition collection, but we gave it to you in two different choices, your holiday. So this is going to be your holiday motif, that beautiful tree. If you're interested in the dinnerware, you'll see that coming up as well. Yet you have that beautiful red border, that scallop detail that runs around the edges, so you literally can fold your pie crust directly over it. And then again, you have that festive fetty detail on the outside. But then, David, when I take that lid, that gorgeous stoneware lid, as you mentioned, it actually now becomes a covered baker. And so what I love is that you have the detail there, three-dimensional, all figural, the ornaments all individually hand-painted. The finial there is actually a beautiful present. So all of the details, everything you've come to love from Temptations in part of this piece, but then also take a peek over here in time for your harvest entertaining, in time for your Thanksgiving. We did a beautiful kind of fall fetty on the exterior, and then a sculptural detail here on the lid with the pumpkin being the finial on the top right there. Look how beautiful, all of the different colors, all individually hand painted. And then, David, look how sweet the sentiment is on the inside. We did a beautiful tree with your adorable owl. The leaves have fallen. You have that gorgeous little cart. You have all of the pumpkins painted in old world and floral lace. This is what makes this a limited edition and absolutely spectacular.
Well, if you want the harvest choice, I have 3,000 to go around. Holiday is more popular. You should know 200 of these are gone now. Here's a few other pieces of information. No reorder on this. When we sell out of it, it's gone for good. Price goes away end of day. Easy pay goes away end of day. And you're saving about $11.38 off of our regular QVC price. I should tell you this, like every item on air and online till end of day today, is 6 easy payments. But I will also tell you, if you're thinking about applying for a Q card today and you get approved and you make a purchase of $25 or more, which this is, we're going to put a $40 credit on your QVC membership account.
Oh, okay.
So it's a great way for you to enjoy that brand new Q card, get an extra $40, and be able to put it on 4Pay if you like. But you know what?
Hello.
You can get it on 6Pay today. Well, this got a little crazy, didn't it?
This got a little bubbly. I could have taken it out a little sooner, I think. But this is our hot cream chip beef, David. Look at this. When we talk about it not just being a pie dish, when we talk about all the different things, mac and cheese, some of your bakes, look how beautiful this is. And I can take this right over to our rolls and, of course, just put it right on top. Then everybody can help themselves. So what I love at the end of the day is that it's just under a 2-quart baker with that beautiful cover. What do you think you would pay for a 2-quart covered baker, but then also the fact that it's part of our limited edition and beautiful?
You could also do this if cream chip beef wasn't your bag of wax. You could do sausage gravy in here, serve that over your biscuits.
Of course you could.
All that kind of thing. Do dips in here.
Yeah. Hey, would you like to try one of our dips?
Maybe dip hooray.
Dip hooray, since you didn't get to try it. This is our caramelized onion dip. And we made these beautiful pita chips. What do you think?
Great.
Isn't that delicious? You know me, I'm a guac girl and a dip girl. If there's one, I'm in it.
Also loving these little pita chips.
Yeah, aren't those fun?
Right.
But again, also think about the different things when you're making your pumpkin pies, when you're making all of your berry pies, your apple pies. This is the perfect go-to dish, but now it's also, because of that great cover, it's meant to be left out and it's meant to be used.
We're very, very busy now. We've taken orders for 1,200 of these are gone.
Thank you.
Let's go through our choices again.
Yes, okay.
Because these are both, and remember, as beautiful as they are functional, and the first one begins with holiday.
Yes, holiday. So you have that gorgeous wreath detail on the outside. Look at all the striations you can get, David. Because of that stoneware, you literally get that sculptural wreath-like look with the ornaments then placed delicately on it, individually hand-painted in your old world in your floral lace. The package or the finial, look how sweet that is. When I tip this forward, it's just stunning. And then on the inside, you have that holiday scene, the beautiful tree, your sleigh, the cardinal that I do in honor of my dad with the mailbox. Such a piece that when you take it out year after year, it will become part of your tradition. That's going to be your holiday choice. Works back with our whimsy and our holiday collection. And then, of course, we have our harvest. This is that beautiful harvest sculptural detail here, all individually hand-painted, pumpkin finial there on the top, and then that sweet design that we created and debuted just this August, actually.
I love this, and I have not seen this before today, and it's just so cute. If you want this harvest, I have 2,100 left.
Wow.
Now, we are very, very busy. Everyone's loving the 6 easy payments. And how many are gone? 1,600 are now spoken for. What you don't want to do is wait on this. Remember, you can take this to the oven up to 500 degrees. You can bake your pies in here, do your hot dips in here. Spinach artichoke dip would be great in here. If you wanted to do any kind of serving type food, something that you might take from the oven right to the dinner table or from the fridge to the dinner table.
I want to show you. So in honor of your pumpkin palooza, we didn't do your pumpkin cheesecake, but we did a pumpkin cheesecake. And what I love about this is that it will stay nice and cold. So look how beautiful that looks. We eat with our eyes first. These are those signature pieces that not only create the memories, but also make the food taste better. Let's just be honest. And clearly from the way you're chewing over there, I think we nailed it. The linens are also available if you're peeking at those. I know some of you have been asking. I love it as entertaining, where now you just layer in some of your seasonal looks and put a flameless candle in there, and you're good to go. Love this.
2,000 of these are now gone. We are no reorder on this, and when this is gone, it's gone for good. It's part of Tara's limited edition collection. Harvest, 1,800 left in the harvest. And a holiday is available, but please don't wait on this. 6 easy payments, and if you love the holiday, stick around, because we have brand new oven mitts and dish towels.
Dinnerware. Wait, I got
and dinnerware as well.
Wembley, Wembley, Wembley.
And Wembley in the little new
mitts.
Mitts, exactly.
Yes.
So we're going to be talking about that. Tara's got 2 more items coming up in the show, so stick around for that. Everything on 6Pay, including all of her Temptations online, remember, is all 6Pay right now.
Good to see you. I'll see you in a little bit.
All right, where are we going next?
David, I got something for you. How about